Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install GTA IV on your laptop or PC. To do this, first of all, open any browser and then search for Steam. Go to the Steam games and then on the search bar, type GTA IV and press enter. Then select whichever you want to download or install. Here are a lot of options available. Now scroll down, there you will see add to cart, which will cost you 14.45 USD, and then view my cart and click on the sign in to purchase, from which you are processed to the payment method. After your payment is done, your PC will have GTA IV. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.